see the knife. Alright, what's happening, YouTube? The True 17 and Interpol. No, you don't need to record on there. Hanging out. We are busting a 10 box case 0809 OPC Premier hockey. There we go. Finally got into her. There they are. That's what they look like. Money. Good luck, everybody.
First one ready to go.
Box 1.
Good luck.
Are you?
No fucking way.
This is on recording.
Put this down right there. There was no pack in the box.
No foam. Nothing.
This video, that's going to fucking upper deck.
Nothing in the box.
That has a pack.
Wow. 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 There's not even foam.
Yeah, there's no foam, there's no holder, there's nothing. You got fucking 2 witnesses here and camera. What a fucking joke.
Alright. Well, we're gonna have to call up a deck for that one. That's fucking bullshit.
That is big time bullshit.
So we already lost 5 fucking cards.
They'll send something. The same thing happened to Chris with Ultimate Collection. They sent him 3 boxes of Ultimate Collection. Just keep all your, well, I just keep the case.
That was ridiculous.
That was a fucking joke.
Oh my god. Alright, box 2, pack 1. I can't believe it was fucking empty, dude. They didn't even bother to put the foam in.
Yeah, there was no fucking foam.
Alright, first up, no base card. That's cool, I guess. For the Carolina Hurricanes, quad jersey auto of Brian Suter, or Brandon, sorry. Brandon Suter or Sutter, number 299.
Wow.
We got a manufactured patch for the Blackhawks of Jonathan Taves, number 58/75. Unreal. 4/15, also for the frickin' the Hurricanes. 4/15, Zach Boychuk, dual patch, dual jersey rookie auto. Canes.
Not quite patch.
No, it's 2 jerseys on the bottom.
2 patches.
Oh, here's the base card. Number to 75, Bobby Clark for the Flyers base.
They must have had some fucking retard pack this case. Must have.
And then for the Flyers again, we got a triple jersey of Mike Richards, numbered to 100. Unbelievable. Can't believe that happened. Box number 2. Keep your fingers crossed. Let's hope there's a pack inside. There it is.
I already checked the other ones. I shook them all. They all had pack.
Five cards. Got a base card of Dale Howardchuk for the Sabres.
Two packs in one box.
And for the Maple Leafs, Nikolai Kulemin, number 173 of 299, quad jersey auto rookie. I think that's Walt Boxgrader's got them, huh? Leafs, probably.
Maple Leafs.
He's killing it today. I'm sure he did get something. Then again for the Blackhawks manufactured, number to 25. Number to 25, Bobby Hull.
That's for Debs and cfletch. Debs stealing mojo.
There you go.
Oh.
This is the second time I pulled this card.
Sick.
Dual auto Bobby Orr for the Bruins and Harry Howell for the Rangers, numbered to 50.
Rangers and Bruins. That's cfletch and Zaz667. Nice.
And the last card is another base, number to 75 of Marion Gaborik for the Wild. I guess we can do one more box this video, huh? And yes, definitely sure that we are recording, Chris. I have my other camera behind the computer. Not my first rodeo, just letting you know. Here we go. We got an Eric Erzberg quad jersey auto number to 299 for the Kings. Then for the Lightning, we got a Vincent Lecavalier 63 of 75 Premier Stitchings.
Tenman.
Another patch auto for the Coyotes, Victor Tikhonov. Two color patches and 2 jerseys, number to 15.
Where are the Coyotes?
That was the trade.
Yeah, trade. United won, got him.
Then we got a base, number to 75 of Grant Fuhrer for the Oilers. And then we got a Rick Nash for the Blue Jackets, triple jersey, number to 100. 2 color, 1 color, 1 color. Alright, so that was boxes. Well, we did 4, right?
4, but
one was
had-
empty. Alright, we still got 6 boxes to go.